Ablution is obligatory for tawaf. A common question arises, what should an individual do if their ablution is invalidated while they are in the middle of performing the tawaf? If one's ablution breaks during the tawaf, they must immediately cease their circumambulation and leave the line of the crowd to renew their ablution. Upon returning, if majority of the rounds, that is 4 or more, were already completed, the individual is permitted to simply resume the tawaf from the exact point where they had to break away. If the minority of the rounds, that is 3 or less, they were completed, while it is permissible to resume from where they left, it is recommended to start the entire tawaf fresh from the beginning.